Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back. So, I've already pre-prepped the drive as far as taking off all the stickers. This is the video I promised you guys on what's inside of a laptop hard drive. Okay? Now, generally you're kind of thinking, well, it should be the same as a full-size drive. Well, yeah, but people are curious. And I'm going to recommend not doing this on your own. You're supposed to do this in a clean room. These things can be really delicate. Laptop drives are definitely way more delicate than a full-size drive. We were able to take apart my 320 gig hard drive and actually put it back together. We were trying to find out what the rattling problem was, and of course we did find out, and of course it's not fixable. Now back in 25 years ago, yeah, that's something that you would probably want to have repaired, and it would be worth the cost of repair, or at least recovering the data off the hard drive platters and then just putting it onto a new drive would actually be your cheapest way out. But there's less and less hard drives nowadays because everything's going to SSD technology, right? Which I really think that we should hold off on totally getting rid of hard drives because yeah, anyway, but nonetheless people want to know what's inside, what makes these things tick, and voila,